I'm making my new color grid and I need to transfer these colors to my new system. Previously, I selected the item that I needed to change its color and then found the corresponding color and used the eyedropper tool. That's a little too manual for me, so I'm going to automate it. The next row I need to do is themes indigo. I'll write a script to capture the values for the indigo theme. All of the chips are in one row, simply pushing tab will go through them. That's my dog. I'll break the color style to get the hex value and then note it down in IA Writer. Great, that worked. Now I'll set it up to loop. So it'll go ahead and push enter after it pastes the value and then go to the next tab. Okay, great. So it pasted the value inside and then it went to the next tab. Now I'll loop it. And the reason why I'm doing this is for accuracy and also that way I can watch TikTok while I watch the work being done. When I was using the eyedropper, I had to manually visually align my eyes or look at exactly what it was clicking at, and I had to always double check and everything. So doing micro automations makes things accurate the first time and reusable. If this color model was in progress and I would need to do this again, it would be an easily repeatable process. Also, I love doing everything scripted because it makes it fun and I end up doing it faster. Great, so we have the values and you could put this inside of a spreadsheet, but I'm just using this because that was the first thing I thought of. Now let's get those values into the color circle and also we will have the hex value be pasted below as well. I'll get the color code from IA Writer and then move it to the next value. That way we can do it in a loop. Great. Now we'll paste the value inside of our cell. Great, I got it working. I'm gonna test it out one time. So it changed the color value and it changed our hex value. Now I'll set it up to loop. We'll run it twice to see if the loop is working. Amazing. Now I'll finish out the loop. We have 9 more to do. Great. I went ahead and sped that up because it was too zoomed out. So let's go ahead and do the themes dark blue and do the whole set. I'll clear out my IA Writer. I'll click on the first chip for themes dark blue. We'll process this 12 times. I would normally get on TikTok right now, but I'm filming with my phone. So we have our list ready. I'll go over to our next row, move the cursor to the top of our hex list. That sounded kind of witchy. I'll use my trick to see how many we have to do. 12. I'll zoom in so we can see it working this time. So it's working. It's 100% accurate. It works the first time. I think eventually AI will be able to do this in a better way, but this is much faster and easier. And so whenever you have more quote unquote difficult layouts to maintain, they can be maintained in a fast, organized, and accurate way. So that way it's more informative and better for the end user. With this, all of the information and a nice big spot for getting the color with the eyedropper is all available, easily maintainable without having to click on anything. So I'm gonna keep going and do 2 versions of this color page and then show you the final results and get your feedback on what you like best and whether you think it can be improved or any other thoughts that you might have. Thanks. That's sign language for applause, I think, or yay.